Hello guys, my name is Siddharth Varde and this is like devlog of Unity fundamentals and like the first part, set up your GitHub. So I have completed my C++ module and I've created all both the two games, text-based games in C++. And right now I'm diving inside Unity fundamentals 1. So in Unity fundamentals 1, like I've learned the basics of GitHub and how it works in background and stuff, and then the basics of Unity and like if you can see here are the contents on the right side, and I've started to use gitbash, like outscal didn't tell us, but I've started to use it, so and I'm kind of liking it. Well, this is it, like it's a kind of dialogue and update, so thank you.